But before I get to that point, I'm going to go ahead and take my square, put the flat edge right here up against the wall, and now I get a straight line that I'm going to take my pencil, my marker, get my line here. Then once I get that, I'm going to take my straight edge off my level, line up the edge with the mark, right like so, and then just take it and keep marking to get my straight edge. Now I've got this level here, this mark right here done. Now I need to do this part perpendicular to that. Okay, so now that I've got this line here, I'm going to go ahead and find make a line here. There's a natural butt joint right here, so I'm going to tap into the edge of this right here. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the flat part of my square, put it over and adjust it like so, and make my cut and make my line right here so I get a good clean edge